Hi everyone. In this video, we will guide you on backup drivers of Windows 11 10 PC using Driver Backup portable software. There is a lot of software available over the internet to backup and restore drivers on Windows PC. Driver Backup is also a driver backup and restoration utility. It is portable, easy to carry, or you can just upload it to the cloud to use with any PC. This portable Windows driver backup software offers restoration, backup, removal, command line options, automatic restoration from CD, DVD, and path formatting features. It also includes an interactive command line builder. Use of Driver Backup. Driver Backup is a portable and free utility. It is a convenient tool to get the OS drivers if you have lost your driver's CD. To start using Driver Backup software, download and unzip it in a folder. Double-click on the DRVBK file to launch the Driver Backup app. Once the Driver Backup is launched, you can see all the drivers, including the third-party drivers, in a discrete view. It allows you to choose which drivers to back up and which to skip. The view is similar to the Device Manager with an additional checkbox. It allows you to back up all drivers, only OEM drivers, and only third-party drivers. You can also filter and do a selective backup of only a third-party or only OEM. Windows 11 and 10 installs the system drivers most of the time, so better backup selective drivers to save space. During backup, the Driver Backup allows you to choose full portability. This button offers devices that are totally compatible with backup and restore. Similarly, you can select the digital signature option if you want to back up drivers with a digital signature. Once you have decided which drivers to back up, click on the Start Backup button. This will allow you to choose the backup path, add a description, name the backup file, date format, and so on. You will find two backup options here. Allow Driver Backup to overwrite files in the destination path if required. Unrecommended, you should check this option to overwrite files in the backup path if required. Otherwise, the program may give an error. Generate a file for automatic drivers restoration. This option generates executable files for automatic drivers restoration. These files include a batch file restore.bat and autorun.inf that enable autorun in removable devices. Facilities that are provided in Driver Backup software. Backup and restore of Windows drivers, including third-party devices. Drivers backup is possible from offline or non-booting systems. It is convenient if you lose the driver's disk and have no idea about the hardware. Compatible with 64-bit systems. Automatic generation of autorun files for drivers restoration. Advantageous option to create a DVD or autorun USB drive to install the software on the PC. Download Driver Backup. You can download the Driver Backup software from sourceforge.net, link is provided in video description. Good luck!